So far I've talked about the use of data and algorithms to allow computers to do things that humans can do, but we want the computers to be able to do them automatically or perhaps better. There are also a set of things that we would like computers to be able to do that humans simply can't do. And we're now starting to use data to train computers to give them the ability to perform tasks that simply aren't possible with humans. So consider credit cards for an example. Have you ever used a credit card maybe to buy something that you've never bought before or in a country that you've never visited before and received a phone call from the credit card company asking you to verify that that was you using the credit card? Now the way they can do that is by building a computer model based on the data, the usage of your credit card, and using algorithms to spot when something that you do with your credit card is different from the pattern of data that the model is expecting. Now that's all automated, and you couldn't expect to be able to do that with humans, okay? You couldn't have somebody sitting in an office saying, "Oh, Kevin's bought a sofa, he doesn't usually do that." There aren't enough people on the planet to monitor everything that we're doing. So there's an example of computers learning to do something that we simply couldn't use humans to do. We don't need huge quantities of data to start making a difference to our organisation. Later in this course we'll hear from a company called Scott Beer. Now they organise tours of Edinburgh, visiting different pubs and trying out different beers. And one of the problems that they face is working out what the rota should be for the people who guide you on that tour. Now when they started, they collected data about how many people went on the tours, how long it took, what was the timing, and they used this data to plan the rotas for the staff for future tours. Now they did this quite simply, they used a spreadsheet, but the important thing is that they knew to collect the data from the start. And now that's really helping them run their business in a far more efficient manner.